Hello everyone. We are at our last chapter of our module 1, which is concept of metering. In this chapter we will be understanding that how the energy companies charge us, like how this billing process work. Okay, so let us understand this thing. It is again a practical thing which is helpful, again in our household. Okay, so let us see this. So this is basically an a block diagram, okay, for showing you that how and where the energy meter is connected. So what does energy meter do? Energy meter basically calculate the total kilowatt consumed in a span of time. Okay, so how does it happen? It happens by the process that this energy meter, okay, this is my energy meter, this is my electrical mains, and this is my main MCB of DB, which is distribution board. Now whatever our house, this is our house, okay, in this house, there I am, here our DB is installed, and this is my main MCB. Okay, now this power is coming via a energy meter to this main MCB. Okay, this is my energy meter. Okay, now this energy meter, what does internally it is doing is, it is basically getting a multiplied effect of voltage and current drawn, because the voltage is fixed by supply. Okay, it will be either 230 volt in case of IEC, or it will be 220 by 240 volt in case of NEC. So this voltage is fixed, but what thing is changing is this current drawn by the different loads of my house. So this device continuously stores this current, in the form of what would I say, in the form of memory, I can say, or in at the different instances at every second. Now this Vi then multiply by the number of hours, okay, which is time t, is the hours. It gives us the reading of watt hour. But as this reading will be in a large quantity, so this voltage multiplied by current is converted firstly into kilowatts, okay, and then this hour is up to a duration of hour, it is again calculated, then we get the unit of kilowatt hour. Okay, so basically what my energy meter is doing, energy meter is basically capturing the different values of current drawn by my house loads at different instants, then it is storing it by a mechanism. I am not going into that mechanism, but the reason is, again, it will become too much theoretical or too much depth. We don't need that. So we just need is a concept that my energy meter is basically continuously monitoring my current demand. So if I want to reduce my bill, okay, if I want to reduce my bill, I just need to reduce either my number of time, okay, the time for which I am using my different loads, or I can reduce my current. So these two things are under our control, to control the billing. To control the bill, these two things are in our hand. This is why it is important to use the loads or to use the energy efficient load so that they draw less current, like energy efficient LEDs instead of conventional CFLs or conventional bulbs, or reducing the time for which they are operating, like the reducing the time of operating of loads such as my air conditioner or my heater, or my water heater, so that my billing can reduce. So the entire purpose of this chapter was to know how I can reduce my billing, as simple as that. This I think we have understood, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, of course. Okay. In the next modules, we'll be learning that how I can reduce my current, okay, to my control the billing, or how I can control the operating time of my different loads, which is T, because voltage is fixed by supply. So this was all about my energy meter, okay, and how does metering done. So this ends our module 1, okay, which was related to basics of electricity. This is just a module I have prepared, quiz I have prepared for module 1. These are I think 6 questions. I would request you to just go through them, okay, and write them down, okay, and just make them better and better. I will be uploading I have uploaded the video solution at the end, or you can discuss these questions in the comment section, or ask me if you want any help. But I would request you to solve by your own. I have prepared them so that you grasp or you get more practical knowledge as much as possible. So this ends our module 1. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time, attention. In the next module, we'll be learning about the different electrical components, okay, like what are the different electrical components in our household. We'll be learning about them, okay. Until then, thank you everyone.